Good day, guys. Being here. Yesterday we modeled this family, so it's an adaptive family. So point one, point two, and this will create this brick screen. So today we're going to add these bricks. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so it's let me think how to do it. Okay, so this is adaptive. So if you tab select, so you should be able to find these families from the video yesterday. So if you tab select, so this is one of these brick, and it's a pattern-based family. So today, however, we can't just build into this pattern-based family. We will need another. Of course, if you find an easier way, please let me know. But my method today is we're going to create an adaptive family. Okay, so let's do it. So we're going to create a new family. So we're going to use generic model adaptive and okay. So let's go to floor plan, and I'm going to just place point. We need 5. Okay, so let's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need another one. So let's just place it here. So now select them and make them adaptive. So now we have point 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So point, just connect these points. Okay, so 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4. Sorry, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 1. And then make the reference line. Okay, reference line. And then we need, let's just move this point to roughly here and, oh, hang on. Let me think. Maybe, hang on, because, maybe let's do it this way because this is floor plan. So if we go to 3D view, it's easier. Let's just move the point 4 up. Okay, so move point 4 up, and also I want to move this point just above, above this point 2. Move point, move point 3 above point 2. Move point 4 above point 1. So now, yeah, maybe I'll just move point 5 down. Okay, so roughly there. Okay, so roughly under these points. So now just imagine this is a brick. Okay, so maybe the size is not right, but doesn't really matter. So, and then we have this reference line and we can create a form. So let's make a solid. And this, so if you select this face, so this offset can be the depth of that brick. Okay, so let's create a parameter for it. So let's call it depth d and instance and okay and okay. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to control the depth by a reporting parameter, and this reporting parameter will be the distance between I think between this point and this one. Okay, so now let's go to front. Okay, go to front view. Yeah, that's okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I'll just move it up a little bit. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need a distance from this point to this point, but we need not the distance between them, but the difference of the height. So let's do a dimension di. But if you directly place, this point to this point, tab this, you will get a distance. We don't want this one. So what we need to do is we need to go create and set work plan, pick a plan, and pick this vertical work plan. Okay. Oh, sorry, not this one. pick this one. So go back again, set to a plane, pick a plane, pick this one, and DI, and pick the point. Okay, so see this one and this one. So not this. So you will see it's smaller. Just tab. So this one. Oh, hang on, something's not right. Let's do it again. DI. So this time, let's just pick this horizontal work plane of this point first, and then pick this point. So this point. But to be able to use this as a reporting, we will need to dimension the point, not work plane. So select this dimension. So you will see this little dot. Just drag this little dot back to this point and tab and release your the mouse the key. Now it's the dimension from this adaptive point to this adaptive point, but so the difference of the height, okay, instead of distance. So select this dimension, and we can create a reporting parameter. So let's call it RPay instance reporting, and okay. So now what we can do is we can create a formula for this brick, for the depth of the brick. So let's go back to this. So what we need is, so if you look at here, so imagine that brick has been placed here. So the first, this one will be it will be flush to this brick, which is the depth of this brick is I think it's 110. Okay, so it's 110. So which means this brick will be 110, and the one at the top will be, let's say, full length of the brick. It will be 230. Okay, so 230. So let me just do a screenshot, and we just need to work out a formula for it. So I'll just do this. Okay, so so this is the first brick. So this brick will be 110. Okay, so and if I have another one on the top, so this brick will be full length, which is 230. Okay, so now the difference between this one and this one is 230 minus 110 equals 120. So which means from this one, this is 110, and to this one, so it's just slightly increase the depending on where this depending on the height of this brick. So what we can do is we need this parameter. So we need to know what the height is, and then if we use, because reporting parameter, so for example this brick is here. Okay, so this is a brick in the middle, and then we can get the height from the reporting parameter, so RPay, and if we use RPay divided by this H, we know the percentage of this brick. So we just need to type this one, multiply this with this 120, and we know exactly what the depth of this brick need to be. So of course we need to still add this 110. So this is 110, which flush to this brick, and then this will be the extra. Okay, so now, so this will be the formula, this. Okay, so now let's go back to Revit and go back to here. So we just need to create so that formula. So but before that, we need a parameter. Let's call it H. Okay, so it will be let's use instance parameter, and then go to the depth. The depth will be 110 plus it will be RP divided by H, and times 120. So let's okay, so H, so yeah, we can't have 0. So let me just Control X, change this to, so for example, 3 meter, and then Control V. Okay, all good. And now we can, let me have a look. So is that right? 134 depths. Yep, all good. So click OK. So now if I, so for example, if I drag this point, you will see it will also change the depth of this. See, okay, see? Okay, all good. And now we can load this into that pattern-based family. So this is huge, but don't worry about this. Oh, hang on. Looks like it's better. It's better to change these, change the orientates to. So instead of instance, let's just use global XYZ. Okay, and also I want this family to be always vertical. So let's check this always vertical. Now load this back and overwrite. So then we need to place, but this one, we first need to turn off the component and we need to show the surface. And to make it easier for place, we just need to turn on the nodes. Maybe I'll just hide the grid line, so it's easier. So we have all these nodes. Hang on, let me just have a look of the component. So we need one here. We need one here. Maybe this one. Okay, so the one in the middle. So now I know where it is. So turn off the component. So now we can go create a component. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The 5th point, I want to place it on this point. Okay, so now it's finished. It looks like it's on the opposite direction. So let's have a look at the component. Yeah, so let's try if I can flip it. So, not this one. Maybe let's try this. I'll delete this one. Let's try again. So this time I'm going to do use an opposite direction, or still. Anyway, maybe it's easier to just go to this. So instead of, let's select this one. Instead of have this positive offset, I'll just change this one to none, and use to the other direction and change this to 0. So load this back, override, and then we're good. So maybe I'll just select this point. Sometimes you can just select an adaptive point, and then you can use pick new host. So instead of do it again. Okay, so then that's it. Oh, hang on, looks like we still need to do this one. So tab, select this point, pick new host, and pick this adaptive point. So now, that's one. So I want to see if I can. The next step is we need to offset this. So see this. I need to check what that distance is. Okay, so I'll select this one, 32.5. Close this one, go back to this, edit family. Okay, so it looks like we need to offset this geometry by 32.5. Maybe it's let me think, how do we do it? Maybe we do this. So I'll delete this form and I'll place a point, draw on face, place it here, here, and here. Select this point, make sure it's measured. It's measured from this point. See this one, and change this to. Let me just do it all together. So and this one, all good. This one, flip. This one, flip. Now select these points. Change the measurement type to segment length, and then segment length will be 32.5. And then we can just select this point, oops, sorry, wrong one. So this one, select this one, spline and reference line. This one and this one, spline and reference line. This point, spline and reference line. And this point and this point, spline and reference line. So now we can select all these four, create a form, solid, and link this not positive. I'll link this negative offset to depth and change this to 0. Now if I load this into this family override, and you will see this match this void. And now what I want to do is I'll see if we just need to create more. So if we only create one, and if I click on repeat, you will see it will place this all over these grids, which means we will have one here as well. Here, see, everywhere. So let me just Control Z, go back, just make it easier. Just turn off the component and select this one, CS. Oh, sorry, we can't do CS here. So create component, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this adaptive point. Okay, now let's try it again. So 1, 2, select these two, repeat. Okay, no, try again. Create another one. So this time this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and place it another 5th point on this adaptive point. So now let's try 1, 2, 3, repeat, and okay, so looks like nope, not right. So see, we probably need one more. Okay, so create. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And let's do it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Yeah. Let's have a look in. Yeah, all good. So you will see, depending on where this family, so this adaptive family is, the lower the shallower. So okay, and now if we select this divided surface and turn on the component, and this is it. Yeah, so it looks like we missed some here, probably because the height of this. So let me just I think we need to control this one. So we have let me just go to family, the height. We have this height here, and we probably need to link that. So let's just try to select this family, edit type. It's not here. Maybe tab, select one of them. It's here. But the issue is if we select all, because it's instance parameter. If we create more, the extra won't link to this. Probably we need to change this to an type parameter. So let's just go back to this family, change this one. So instead of instance, just change it to type, and okay, load this back, overwrite. And okay, so now this time select this family, so we can edit type. So you'll see this H. Oh, hang on. I think it's because it's a shared parameter. Oh, sorry, it's a shared family. There's a little bit issue here because it's a shared family. No, because it's a shared family, so we can't link that to one family. So maybe we have to do it. Just do it again. So let's select everything here. So maybe I'll just do this here. So I'll remove this. Okay, so I'll remove this. So remove all these adaptive families. Oh, sorry, remove or delete. Sorry, delete. Okay, so go back to this. I'll uncheck this shared family. Uncheck this shared family and load this back into here. So let's just do it again. So select this family, select this divided surface, turn off the component. So we just need to very quickly place another four of these. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one. Let's place it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now select all these 4 and repeat. Oh, good. So let's check. Yep. Perfect. So now select one of these repeater in the edit type. So we will see this height. Now we can click on this one and link it to this height. Okay. So now we can turn on the component, and I think that's it. So now we can edit. We can go to family type, change. If you change, so for example, if I change this to only 1.2 meter high. So still the first one is still 110 to match the other brick, and the top one will be still 4 brick. Okay, and looks like we need so this is because, so if you look at the height, it's not high enough to have another one here. So what we need to do is, so if you count the bricks, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what you can do is, so you can just go to here. So instead of type a number, you can type equal 14 times. So these bricks are 86 brick. So just enter. So see, if we add extra 4 millimeter, so we'll have this brick. Okay, so then I know that this one should be if it's not 230, it should be very close to 230. Okay, and of course if I change this one, so again, so instead of just type a height, I'll 30 times 84, sorry, 86, something like this, and okay, and the same, the very lowest brick will be 110, and then the top one will be close to 230. So yeah, that's it. So, and of course you can change the length or the width of the wall, and that's it. Okay, so if you have any question, please let me know. If you know some better ideas, or yeah, please let me know as well. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll upload this family for you and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.